What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Octavia.Darling, and I'm back with another video, or in this case, another lock update. First and foremost, I would like to tell myself, happy lockiversary, girl. You made it to 3 years. I can't believe it's been 3 years already. But then at the same time, it feels like I've been locked longer than that. Anyways, in this video, I wanted to show you all a different perspective of my overall natural hair journey and just show you how I looked when I was a loose natural. It seems like it was pretty long ago, but at the same time, it doesn't. I don't know. It's weird. Anyways, if you want to see more of where I started and how my locks looked when I first started this journey, then definitely check out my other lock update videos. I have more pics and vids that will cover that for you. But in this video, I wanted to really focus more so on this past year and how my locks have changed. But this is from the beginning. Don't get it twisted. This is how I currently look. So just enjoy the rest of this video. It's pics and vids. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also share this video out with other locked kings and queens. And yeah, I will check y'all in my next video. Thank you for your support throughout this journey. I really appreciate it. Take care.
She own it, looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body, always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. mulena vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. Ewe muleji. Mami venaki. Moji mulena vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. She said she need me like heartbeats. Drive me the bed like a RV. Hugging the curves on that body. She bring the heat like wasabi. Promise not to test your heart. We just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you the best by far. Always go the extra mile. Yeah, yeah. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji. You right next to me. Moji mulena vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. Ewe muleji. Mami venaki. Moji mulena vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. It's my baby. That thing so vibrant. Keys to your heart, baby girl. Ewe muleji. You right next to me. Moji mulena vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. Ewe muleji. Mami venaki. Moji mulena vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. Ah yeah. Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready, 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 ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Me no care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Body rotation. Couple of days went by, now I'm losing my patience. Go ahead, drop a pin, girl, wanna know your location. What's your location? Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. Bea, bea. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. She royalty. Do you know she royalty? Yeah. Do you know she royalty? Yeah. She gon' say I be that one that'll get her heart racing. I did feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation. Number one bad girl, killing everything like on a mission. Girl on a mission. Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. Bea, bea. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Do you know she royalty? Do you know she royalty? Yeah. Do you know she royalty? Hey, Amaro.